Welcome back to our Hong Kong Adventure series. Today, on day 3, we're diving into a self-guided tour that takes us from the streets of Tsim Sha Tsui to some of Hong Kong's most iconic landmarks. And our first in our list is the Peak Tram. Our day begins at Chongqing Mansions, where we head to MX for a breakfast. We make our way to Tsim Sha Tsui MTR station, boarding the train at platform 2 towards Central Station. The 8-minute ride costs just 10.6 Hong Kong dollars. Upon arriving at Central Station, we follow signs to exit J, leading us to Theatre Garden by going up using the escalator. We look for the exit J2 sign and take the stairs up. Use Google Maps to help you navigate the streets towards the Peak Tram.
Turn right.
We pre-booked our one-way Peak Tram ride plus Sky Terrace 428 tickets via Klook for 797. You have to scan your QR code with this machine. The Peak Tram operates daily from 7:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. with trams departing every 15 to 20 minutes. The journey covers about 1.4 kilometers for 10 minutes ride, ascending nearly 400 meters, and offers a unique perspective of the city's skyline. We arrived at the Peak Tower, where you can buy souvenir items and gifts, and there's also shops and restaurants. Following the signs, we ascend multiple escalators to reach Sky Terrace 428, the highest outdoor observation deck in Hong Kong. We presented our QR code on the tourist desk and then we proceed going up. Standing at 428 meters above sea level, it offers a 360-degree panoramic view of the city. For the best experience, it's advisable to visit on clear days to avoid haze or fog, which can obstruct the view. It's also best to go early in the morning to avoid crowds. Our second destination is the renowned Madame Tussauds Hong Kong, where we've pre-booked our tickets via Klook for 1,767. This iconic wax museum features over 100 lifelike wax figures of celebrities, historical icons, and local stars. Visitors can interact with figures across various themed zones, offering a unique blend of entertainment and culture.
Pasok!
Di mo magunia dire.
Ah! Fireman.
We exit the Peak Tower and head to the nearby Peak Galleria. Walk down at the basement level, where you can find the bus terminal and look for the Bus 1 loading area. Using our Octopus card, we board the bus for 12.1 Hong Kong dollars, and it's a 27-minute ride. Press the bell after Pedder Street to stop at the Hong Kong Station minibus stop. Navigating with Google Maps is essential here, as these small buses have no onboard screens. From the 2 International Finance Center, we catch bus 91, costing 5.2 Hong Kong dollars, and stop at Hollywood Terrace. A short walk up the long stairs leads us to Ladder Street, where the historic Man Mo Temple awaits. Man Mo Temple, built in 1847, is one of Hong Kong's oldest temples, dedicated to the gods of literature Man and War Mo. The temple's serene atmosphere, intricate architecture, and large hanging incense coils offer a glimpse into traditional Chinese worship practices. It's a peaceful retreat amidst the bustling city, providing insight into Hong Kong's rich cultural heritage. Next, we walk towards Cane Road and Ladder Street to catch bus 22 Sec. Our trip cost 6.6 Hong Kong dollars. This bus takes us to the Central Ferry Piers, where the Hong Kong observation wheel stands prominently. We've booked our ride on the Hong Kong observation wheel through Klook for 147 Hong Kong dollars. Standing at 60 meters tall, the wheel offers a 15-minute ride with panoramic views of Victoria Harbour and the city's skyline. To return to Tsim Sha Tsui, we took a boat ride at Star Ferry, costing just 4 Hong Kong dollars. This short boat ride across Victoria Harbour offers picturesque views of the skyline, making it a must-try experience for visitors. Back in Tsim Sha Tsui, we take time to stroll around the area. With numerous attractions, shops and eateries, there's always something new to discover in this bustling district, like these Disney decorations. The clock tower is located in Tsim Sha Tsui, right next to Victoria Harbour. After checking out this historic site, you can take a relaxing stroll along the Tsim Sha Tsui promenade, enjoy the stunning skyline views. Thank you for joining us on this day exploring Hong Kong's diverse attractions. From cultural landmarks to modern marvels, the city offers a unique blend of experiences. Stay tuned for our next adventure.